In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add VAT on Zoho Invoice. Adding VAT to your invoices is a crucial part of managing your business finances, ensuring compliance, and keeping everything transparent for both you and your clients. So, let's dive right in and step through this process together. First, you'll want to start by heading over to Zoho Mail. This is your starting point to access the suite of applications Zoho offers. Once you're there, locate the option that says All Zoho Apps. It might appear as a button or link, typically displayed quite prominently, given the multiple services that Zoho integrates. Once you've clicked on All Zoho Apps, you'll see a list of different applications available to you. From this list, you'll need to select Books. Zoho Books is an essential tool here, as it's the hub for your financial management within Zoho, and it aids in organizing, recording, and reporting all your business transactions. Inside Zoho Books, head straight to the settings. You can usually find this option on the sidebar menu. Clicking on Settings will open up various configurations related to your Zoho Books environment, such as your company details, users, and importantly, the tax settings. Next, look for the Taxes option. It should be part of the Settings menu, and it's here where all your tax-related configurations come together. Within the Taxes section, you'll see various tax options if you've got some preset, or perhaps none if you're just setting it up for the first time. Now it's time to add a new tax entry. Find the New Tax button within this section. Clicking on this will take you to a form where you can enter details about the tax you need to add. Since we're focusing on VAT, this is where you'll start populating information specific to that. Go ahead and type in VAT as the name of your new tax. Giving it a clear and straightforward name ensures you'll easily recognize it when creating invoices in the future. It's always a good practice to maintain consistently descriptive names for all your tax entries. Then, you'll need to input the percentage of VAT applicable to your business operations. This percentage will vary depending on your country's regulations, so make sure you double-check this to stay compliant. The last thing left to do is click on Save. This action finalizes the addition of your VAT into Zoho Books, making it ready for application on your invoices. Once saved, VAT will appear as an option when issuing all subsequent invoices, seamlessly applying the correct tax calculations. And there you have it. You've successfully added VAT to your Zoho Invoice setup. Following these steps precisely ensures you're systematically aligned with your taxation needs, maintaining transparency and efficiency in your financial dealings. Happy invoicing!